Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will talk about uniform wear theory in clutches. In uniform wear theory, we assume that wear is uniform and it is proportional to the friction work. Consider an element of thickness dr at a radius r. This is a friction plate and it is the front view, and this is smaller radius r1 and this is outer radius r2, and this is the element of thickness dr at radius r. So as we said, wear is proportional to friction work. We can write wear is proportional to mu into p into 2 pi rn. Mu into p is the friction force, n is the revolutions per minute, and 2 pi rn is rubbing velocity at radius r, and p is the axial pressure. We can assume that coefficient of friction is more or less same over the friction plate, and we will operate the clutch at a constant speed, so we can take n as constants also. So we are left with wear is proportional to p into r from this equation. Since mu, 2 pi and n are constants, we are left with wear is proportional to p into r. Since we assume that wear is uniform, we can write p into r is equal to constant, which means that pressure into radius over this entire distance is constant, which means that I can write p into r equal to p1 into r1 equal to p2 into r2 when p1 is the pressure at radius r1 and p2 is the pressure at radius r2. From this equation p into r is equal to constant, I can write p is proportional to 1 by r, which means that if r is less, then p is more. We can visualize this. At less radius r1, p is more, p is the highest, and more radius r2, p is the lowest. We can see p1 is greater than p2. So we can write p into r is equal to p1 into r1. Assume df equal to axial force on the element, and df is generally force equal to pressure into area. So we can write pressure is p and area is 2 pi r dr. If we want total axial force, we will integrate df. So integral df is equal to integral p 2 pi r dr from limits r1 to r2. So 2 pi is numerical constant, we can take it out, and we are left with integral pr dr. As we said, pr is equal to p1 r1. We will replace pr with p1 r1, and since p1 and r1 are also constants, we can take them out, and we are left with integral dr from limits r1 to r2. So we will find total force is equal to 2 pi p1 r1 into r2 minus r1. Torque on the element due to friction is equal to dt, and generally torque equal to force into perpendicular distance, and here that force is friction force and perpendicular distance is r, and friction force is mu into normal force. So we have mu into normal force into r, and here that normal force is axial force. So we have mu p 2 pi r square dr. To get total torque due to friction, we will integrate the dt. Integral dt is equal to integral mu p 2 pi r square dr. Mu and 2 pi are numerical constants, so we can take it out, and we are left with integral pr square dr, and we can write pr square as pr into r dr, and we can replace this pr with p1 r1, and we can take it out as well. So mu 2 pi p1 r1 integral r dr, and integral r dr is r square by 2, so we will write r2 square minus r1 square by 2. So total torque is mu pi p1 r1 into r2 square minus r1 square. To get generalized equation, we will divide torque equation with force equation. So torque by force equal to this value, and you can see pi and pi, p1 r1 will get cancelled, and r2 minus r1, r2 square minus r1 square, we can write it as r2 minus r1 into r2 plus r1. So that will get cancelled, and we are left with torque equal to force mu into force into r2 plus r1 by 2. And in uniform pressure theory also, we can see torque equation and force equation. If we divide these two equations, we will get a mu into force into 2 by 3 r2 cube minus r1 cube by r2 square minus r1 square. And by looking at these two equations, we can arrive at a general formula: torque equal to mu into force into radius, and this radius rf is called friction radius, and friction radius in uniform wear theory is r2 plus r1 by 2, as you can see here, and this friction radius for uniform pressure theory is 2 by 3 r2 cube minus r1 cube by r2 square minus r1 square. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe so that you can help the channel also.